In September of 2016, this 1 pound bag of Gizmo'z Paydirt Supremo cost $58 plus $6 shipping, a flat rate box. As it happened, I had another bag in the same box, so I'm dividing the $6 shipping in half, so I'm only assigning $3 shipping to this particular bag. So that makes the total out the door cost of $61 for this bag. Let's see what's inside of it. The classification came out virtually identical to Gizmo's regular pay dirt, with a few exceptions. The 1 pound bag actually ended up weighing 1 pound 5.2 ounces. The two exceptions that made this one stand out is, first of all, we had some very large pieces of the Paydirt, and second, and most importantly, we had this. This actually turned up in the +8 mesh. And if you listen, I think most people would agree that while that might be a little small to be called a nugget, it certainly is classified as a clinker. So that was a nice surprise. There is also a lot of black sand. So again, I recommend using magnetic separation before you go to your panning. Let's see what the hand picking turns up. In addition to the +12 nugget I found, which by the way weighed just over 1/4 gram by itself, hand picking produced 63 in the +20 mesh and 57 in the +30 mesh. That's a grain of rice for size comparison. What's nice is that most of this stuff was not thin flakes, but really nice chunky stuff. So it'll be interesting to see how much this weighs out. I only found 4 more pieces of +30 mesh material in the Miller table. Again, I found absolutely nothing in the 50, 70, or 100 or -100. So what that tells me is that this stuff is very easy panning because all of the gold appears to be very large. So let's see what the total weight is. .516 grams. Now that's great. That is really, really good because they say they only add 1 gram to it. I suspect they're being a little heavy-handed, and I appreciate that. So let's break out the calculator and see what the numbers look like.